Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking channel. This is Susan here. Today we're going to be making some Oriental style chicken stew with potatoes. Let's get cooking rolling. First we are going to chop about 5 to 7 medium potatoes, obviously peeled here, and get some water boiling. Then we're going to add them to this pot here to boil for about 15 minutes. Next, we are going to prepare our ginger and garlic and also slice up some onions. It's just one onion, just peeling. And there we go. We're just slicing it up. Add a teaspoon of salt in our boiling potatoes and get our wok with hot oil ready. And then we're going to nuke all our garlic, ginger and onions together there. Just fry this for about 5 minutes and then slowly add in your clean and pre-cut chicken pieces here, just all over the wok. We're going to fry this on this side for about 5 minutes on medium to high heat. Just cover the wok there with the lid. And we're ready to toss them over so that they're cooked on the other side too. We left the fire too hot there, so it's a little bit burned, but it's still fine. There we go. Next we are going to be spicing things up. First we're going to add 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce and then 1 teaspoon of bean sauce, followed up by 1 tablespoon of rice wine. And then cover the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to mix everything up. There we go. And we're going to fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep on stirring so that it does not stick to the wok at the bottom there. And now it's time to add in our pre-boiled potatoes. Just drain them and put them right in there. Next we're going to be adding some seasoning. We're going to put a big drizzle of soy sauce and also some white pepper. Next we're going to be adding some water, just enough so that it's covering the chicken there. So I'd say about half the wok of water there, and then just give it a little mix there. It's going to be cooking in its own juices and absorbing all those Asian flavors there. Give it a good toss and it's about ready. The water has evaporated and has become thickened already by itself. And to top it off, we're going to add some spring onions for that beautiful color. And it's smelling so good right now. We're going to cook this for further 2 to 3 minutes. And it's ready. And we're going to be plating it now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and give us any suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. We really do appreciate your support. See you next time. Gotcha, gotcha.